IndyGeneUS was created to address the lack of diversity in clinical trials. That's the root problem that we're trying to solve. The research that has been done years and years are 95% European white male, 95% European white male. Unfortunately, that's not good enough for us to have effective drug products, especially when treating a large continent like Africa. So what we're trying to do is identify individuals that are not being represented in the traditional drug trials in order to build better drug targets and drug discovery. We've seen tremendous traction over the last month and a half, including bringing on key advisors both in the U.S. and in Africa, of well-renowned scientists and government officials that has embraced the business model. Over the last 2 years, COVID has been able to expose a lot of the health disparities that were already prevalent throughout the drug trials and clinical research across the globe. What COVID has been able to do is stop the entire world. It's the first time in my life that a pandemic was not only in Africa or in the Caribbean or in Latin America. This was the entire world that was affected by COVID. A lot of the patients that were suffering from a lot of the major illnesses and dying were African American, minorities, and Latin diaspora folks. And so, what that then did was highlight health disparity that underlies some of the disease area that affects Black and brown people, which is why IndyGeneUS felt so strongly about making this a global company. And so IndyGeneUS was created by Howard alumni. 40 to 50% of the individuals that are key stakeholders in IndyGeneUS are Howard alumni, both geneticists, PhD in biochemistry, medical doctors that went to Howard universities, and also undergrad. And so I'm proud to say that IndyGeneUS reflects the true leadership and Black excellence of Howard University. So IndyGeneUS really creates that global view of what pharmaceutical and drug discovery should look like in the next 10 to 20 years.
Join us in driving precision health equity. We are IndyGeneUS.